Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you. In today's episode, Valentine's is just around the corner, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my front porch and front yard to see the simple and minimalist Valentine's decor. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping, and more. And I would love that you take some time today to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss the additional episodes that are coming up in the future. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start the tour by the corner of the house where the garage is. And in here I place a beautiful and colorful Valentine's flag. And moving towards the side garden, I place a small garden flag against this green arborvitae. For Valentine's Day, I prefer to go simple and minimalist. I think this is a kind of holiday that when you use simple decorations, it looks better than being over the top. Also, in the neighborhood that I live, there are restricted covenants in the homeowners association, and this gives guidelines on what people can display outside their houses. Please let me know what kind of decor you like for Valentine's, simple or over the top. And moving on into the porch, I have the winter planters that I had from the December, and I went ahead and decorated with the hearts and also some Valentine lights. I bought these planters at Costco back in December, and they still looking great because it's been very cold in Massachusetts. I bought this heart that is made out of felt at Michael's, and I went and taped it to the rug that is in front of the door. For the front door, I placed a large wreath in deco mesh that I made a few years ago. For this year, I changed the center of the wreath and I added this small wreath that is from the Dollar Tree store. If you already watched the Valentine's Decorate With Me video, you remember that I decorated the side windows with these gel clings. And now I'm going to show you how the decorations looks at night with all the Valentine's lights on. And my friends, this is the end of the video, and I hope that you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments. Thank you very much. And if you're a new visitor, I would love that you subscribe today to my channel so you can be part of this amazing YouTube community. I hope that you'll have a great Valentine's Day. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.